Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to free up storage space on your Xbox One so you can actually download more games. So on the home screen here we can go up to the top and go to settings. Go on down to where it says system and go to the right to storage devices right here. Then go to free up some space. Now we can go to the games and we can delete them off our Xbox. So we can see some are downloading right now, but if I go on down, we have some we can actually delete. So we got like Skype. I don't know if I'll ever use that on my Xbox, but we can select it and then go over to the right and we can remove it. So Twitch, we got Twitch on here too, media player. So we can go to the right now, go to remove selected and uninstall, and it'll tell you how much space you're going to save. In the bottom right it says all storage. I have 484 gigabytes free, and I only am using 38% of my Xbox hard drive. So this should help you download more games in the future. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.